Are you tired of spending countless hours cleaning your floors when you could be enjoying your time? Many buyers overlook the essential features that make a robot vacuum truly effective. In this video, we'll compare 5 of the top robot vacuums of 2026, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. You'll want to stay tuned for our top pick, which offers an unbeatable combination of power and convenience. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful reviews. And remember, links in the description below will take you to the latest prices. iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Robot Vacuum is designed for those who need a reliable and efficient cleaning solution without breaking the bank. This model features a 3-stage cleaning system that effectively captures dirt, dust, and pet hair from various surfaces. Ideal for smaller homes or apartments, the Roomba 105 maneuvers easily around furniture and tight corners. Users appreciate its simplicity, thanks to the one-button operation and a compact design that makes storage a breeze. However, it lacks advanced connectivity features and smart mapping capabilities, which might be a drawback for tech-savvy users looking for a more integrated cleaning experience. eufy 11S Max Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Next up is the eufy 11S Max Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a fantastic choice for anyone seeking powerful suction in a slim design. With a robust 200,000 PA suction capability, this vacuum is adept at picking up debris on both carpets and hard floors. It features a 100-minute runtime and a variety of cleaning modes, making it suitable for various household needs. Users love how quiet it operates, allowing for cleaning without disturbing daily activities. However, its slim profile may mean a smaller dustbin requiring more frequent emptying for larger homes. Overall, the eufy 11S Max provides excellent value for its performance and ease of use. Bagotte Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Bagotte Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo stands out as a versatile cleaning solution, perfect for those who want both vacuuming and mopping capabilities in one device. This robot boasts a powerful suction of 2,000 PA, coupled with a mopping function that can handle stains effectively. It's particularly great for pet owners, as it tackles hair and dander effortlessly, ensuring a cleaner environment for your family. The Bagotte also features smart navigation, allowing it to avoid obstacles and navigate around furniture with ease. However, users have noted that the mop function is best for light cleaning, as it may not replace a thorough manual mopping session for tougher stains. Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo 500,000 PA3 in 1 Robotic Vacuum. Coming in at number 2 is the Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo 500,000 PA3 in 1 Robotic Vacuum, which is ideal for larger homes needing heavy-duty cleaning. With an impressive 500,000 PA suction power, this device excels at picking up dirt from both carpets and hard floors. The advanced smart mapping technology provides efficient cleaning paths, and the mopping function ensures your floors shine. Users appreciate the long battery life, which supports extended cleaning sessions without interruption. However, the initial setup can be somewhat complex, requiring a little more time to get it just right. Still, this vacuum is a powerhouse for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning routine without the hassle. ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Robot Vacuum, and Mop Combo. Topping our list is the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Robot Vacuum, and Mop Combo, a top-tier option for those who demand the best in automated cleaning. This device seamlessly transitions between vacuuming and mopping, making it a stellar choice for busy families or pet owners. With a suction power of 300,000 PA and an advanced filtering system, it captures even the finest dust particles and allergens, promoting a healthier home environment. The ROPVACNIC is also equipped with smart navigation features, which allow it to chart cleaning paths efficiently. While the price point is higher than other models, the quality and performance justify the investment, making it an excellent option for those looking for reliability and effectiveness. Thank you for watching our roundup of the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026. Whether you're looking for advanced features or a budget-friendly option, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check the links in the description for current prices and grab the best deal for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews and comparisons. Your perfect cleaning companion is just a click away.